Hello everybody, greetings from Port Richway. This is Satya NR, your fellow trader. In this presentation, which comes under Basic Concept Series, I'd like to guide you and be your own alchemist by showing my trading setup. I'm sure some of the points which the setup shows you may be useful to you. Since the whole trading is based on the net connection on the internet, I always have three net connection, alternate connection, which run simultaneously. One, I dedicated it directly for the orders, and the other two, I leave it for the charting purpose and for analysis. And I also have two desktops. One desktop I use it for charting, for analysis. The other screen, the other dedicated, sometimes I use a tab or sometimes I use another PC itself, where it is not loaded with anything, it does not loaded with any software, it's very light, and that I use it for making the orders so that the orders are very fast. So let us start seeing the charts. So this is my trading setup. I have four windows. For one window, it is going to be the multiple chart, and again there will be one more multiple chart, where in each of this window I have two charts, and the other two is for open interest. And I always have the seconds time digital clock for me to know the close of the candle, which I monitor it quite carefully for the breakouts as well as for the limit orders, because this is important, especially if you are going to be a day trader. You need to know to the seconds exactly when the candle is going to close, and unfortunately this platform does not have the countdown timer. I sometimes use TradingView for analysis as well as from stock trading. In that countdown timer is there, so I will not be using any clocks, but otherwise most of the time there will be a clock on my desktop. So among these two windows, one is a 5-minute time frame, which is my trading time frame, and the next one is going to be the lower time frame, 1-minute time frame. And if you recollect our basic concepts, you would have understood that we constantly keep monitoring the push-ups, the legs, and the pullbacks. So in the 5-minute time frame alone, I have two different push-ups for the push-ups as well as for the pullbacks. One for the bigger swings. Essentially I see the 50%, this is 100%, this is 50%, and this is 0%, just to see the move of it, which we constantly monitor. That is going to be a very important factor for us to make an entry, along with the assessment of the signal and the entry bar. This is what gives the strength. I think we have already discussed this. And the smaller one, again for that particular, the small swing, the same way in the 1-minute time frame, I just follow only one measurement tool, so which has 0%, 50% and 100% to know the strength of the swing. So as and when I make the decision, when I want to know the strength of a particular candle, for example, when I want to know the strength of this particular candle, then I will be doing the assessment in this 1-minute time frame. Supposing if I want to know what is happening before, or for example, if I do not know, now let us say that when we move this, for at this point we do not know what is happening, why it is reversed, or where it is exactly heading in this area. At this juncture, when we are not sure where it is heading or why it is going till this particular high, immediately I refer it to the higher time frame, where 15 minutes time frame will give me a decision of an whatever is going to be the other additional factor for it. In a similar way, we also see the 1 hour time frame. So I use the higher time frame when the price started going out of the 5 minutes time frame for my analysis purpose, and also sometimes to know the targets. So this is how the setup it is. How the setup is going to be used, I am sure that you will have learned in the basic concepts as well as in the diagnostic dynamics, and very importantly when you see the chart reading you will get to know about it. But much more than this setup can be really learned in the live trading series. So among with this through 4 different windows for us to see the candles and then the way the price moves, I also use the open interest. I use the open interest. This is a open interest page from Sensible, which I constantly see, because if you remember our philosophy, we need to know if I am going to take a decision, whether there will be sufficient people for me to back up the decision. So that backing up of the decision is taken here. So I use the open interest cumulative, which is going to give me the complete picture, as well as I am going to take the future OI, give a snapshot of it every few minutes. And before I place an order, always I see the multi-strike OI. There will be an intraday here when you are going to do an intraday, but now since post market I am doing this recording, there is no intraday. So I will be scrolling upon and then I will find out whether it is good enough for me to take the bet, provided sufficient amount of traders are there on my side to do or not. So again, this part of this analysis, I think we had covered it in the data analysis. In the data analysis section under the, I think, diagnostic dynamics, we would be covered this. So essentially this is a very simple setup. This is what I have, and I also use an 20 EMI, and with the 20 EMI essentially I use it like a guideline. It's like a walking stick for me, not that I use it all the time, because since I rely mostly on the other price action, but it does come handy to a certain extent. So in fact, in my whole setup, probably if you think as an indicator, this is the only thing which comes under an indicator. Other than this, I do not use anything at all. So with this simple setup, I am sure that you should also be able to manage it very nicely. It should be very clean. So as the trade progress, you should be able to change all the measurement tools, which you will actually get a demonstration, as well as you will, when you're going to see the videos of the live charts, you will understand it. Thank you one and all. I hope this my setup will be of use to you, and you will be able to implement certain points from this. Bye.